Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to build confidence to speak in English fluently. This is a subject that everybody wants to have idea about. So in today's class, I am going to give you some tips that will definitely help you to improvise or to make you confident to speak in English. For this very purpose, I would suggest all the listeners to listen this video till end so that you can learn well. So the first tip I have for you is believe in yourself. Stay calm and believe in yourself that yes, you can. Many of the times whenever I teach in my classes, I do have students. They don't speak in English because somewhere they fear that they can't. So that's why they don't come up with their expression. Inside themselves, they do have thoughts to express, but they are not able to because they feel like they may do mistake and people make fun of them. So if they keep thinking like this, they won't be able to be good in English language. So for this very stage, I would say it becomes very important that you should have believe in yourself that yes, you can, because if you think you can, you definitely can. The second tip I have for you is positive body language. That makes a lot of difference to the person to whom you are interacting. That actually impact on a person to whom you are interacting. Body language includes then obviously your eye contact. That will help you to build up your confidence. You need to make eye contact. Plus, you should have smile on your face when you are interacting. It actually increases the curiousness in the person to whom you are interacting. He would love to listen you if you have a positive smile on your face. So these things plus your gestures, your postures, you should know that how to carry yourself if you are speaking in English. So the positive body language includes, like, suppose if some fresher joins a new company and he is giving introduction, like I'm going to give you an example here, like, hi, my name is Shivangi, I am a new joinee, right? This is for the beginner. And if you speak like, hi, I'm Shivangi, I am new in this company. So you must have seen a difference. So this actually makes a lot of difference in your communication. So you should have positive body language. The tip I have for you is grammar. Learn grammar. See, every language is having its own grammar, and we as a new, not non-native speaker, we should have complete hands-on in grammar. Grammar includes your tenses, your prepositions, your adjectives, the active, the passive, number of rules. But yes, of course, if you want to be good in English, you should know grammar. No doubt, in English language also, sometimes there are certain sentences that are not dependent on grammar even, and if you are confident somehow you can overlap the words or you can use those sentences. That hardly matters if you are speaking in confidence. Even if you are not grammatically correct, still it is okay. But being a beginner, I would definitely suggest that you should have complete command over grammar. That is must for you. That can be easily learned these days. In YouTube, you will find number of tutorials that can easily, through which you can easily learn grammar, the tenses, adjective. You'll find the complete detailed form in like instruction classes. You'll be able to, even in my future classes, in my further classes, I'll be also discussing grammar in detail for the people, those who want to learn grammar. So yes, of course, this is the third tip, that you need to have hands-on experience. If you are trying new language, you should know, you should have complete idea that where to put first tense, where to put second form, where to put will, when to use ing. You should have an idea of it, because as a national speaker, if we speak in Hindi, We do have complete understanding when to speak raha hai, rahi hai. So in the same way, we should have complete knowledge that where to put ing, where to put first form. That is how I say that learn grammar. Then the fourth tip I have for you is learn pronunciation, because this is equally important. As in English language, it is always seen that whatever we write, we don't speak exactly the same way. There are a number of words we do not speak exactly the same way. So no doubt, like since childhood, we are taught in a way that we know, like some general sentences, we easily know that how to pronounce them. But if you are finding anything, any word difficult, it's very easy to learn pronunciation these days. Go on Google, type the sentence, you'll find the meaning as well as the speaker icon. Just click on that icon, you'll get the proper accurate pronunciation of that very word, which will make your things very easy. So you need to learn pronunciation, which is very easy to learn these days. Even to improve your pronunciation, I would also suggest one thing that can be done to learn pronunciation through English movies or web series which are in English. That will help you. No doubt the American accent, or you can say we are following UK accent, that is completely different from the person who is Indian. That can be easy to understand. The Indian English speaker is easy to understand as compared to British, the actual speaker, the native speaker. But still, it is always suggested to listen them, to enjoy those movies. That will help you to understand those words, those sentences, their slang, their pronunciation in an easy way. Moreover, you can use grammar, you can use Google, as I told you earlier. The fifth tip I have for you is be an active listener and rigorous practitioner. See, if you are learning any new language, you need to have patience, perseverance. You need to be a very active listener. Many of the times I have seen, like especially as I teach IELTS, so my students, they fumble or they do not listen the question properly and they start answering, because this is what is taught to them, that they have to answer in sentences, they have to speak more. But at the same time, it is equally important that you need to listen it properly, and you need to listen to the examiner, whosoever is asking you a question. You need to be a very good listener. Even in learning also, in the previous point I told you about that, listen to English movies, English music. So in the same way, I would say that be a good listener. That will help you to improvise your communication, your English skills. And along with this, I would say that you should be a regular practitioner. You should practice rigorously, regularly. This is how one can learn, like any national, international language, any new language which is new to you, one can learn only by regular practice. That is how we people learn, because we are also Indians. The same way, if you will practice, you can also learn. Nothing is impossible. Just do not lose your confidence and take interest. Interest can take you higher, I would definitely say, guys, because if you take interest in something, there are a number of ways these days. Learning any new thing has become so easy if you have interest, because there are a number of YouTube channels, number of videos, tutorials these days that is completely free of cost. So I would say that you need to be a very active, you need to practice, you should not lose hope. You can easily learn English if you are working on the upper tips I have shared with you. So this is what about today's class. I hope you understood it, and I hope that you will implement those things whatever I taught you in this class today. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, so that I can keep on sharing my ideas, thoughts, how to improve your English in a detailed manner. In the coming classes, I'll be also discussing grammar deeply. I'll be making each and every video, each and every topic I'll be taking, and I'll be making video on that. In a very easy way, you'll be able to learn English. So this is what about today's class. Keep sharing, keep motivating, as well as keep enjoying, keep learning, happy learning. I would say till then, bye bye.